Grounding is a technique that is going to help you relax. It's definitely going to come in handy when you're feeling overwhelmed. It's going to come in handy at times when maybe anxiety is really at a peak, or stress, where you just feel like there's a tornado of thoughts going on in your head and it's just kind of taking over. You feel like you're drowning in those thoughts. So grounding is going to get you out of your head and give you a little reset button, maybe a little temporary relief from what's swirling in there. There are multiple ways to do it. There are multiple lengths of time to do it. Today, we're just going to try a short one. So get comfortable somewhere and just start looking around wherever you are. Maybe you're in the car or in the office, in your house, but just look around the room and look for objects that have color. Notice the color of each individual object and say the name of the object and the color out loud. Saying it out loud is going to help your brain to get out of its own thoughts. Hearing something audible kind of jars it into something outside of itself. So even when it's your own words, it'll help you out. So maybe you look over and on the wall there is, I don't know, a painting of a person, and the frame of that painting is white. So you look over and you just notice, okay, white frame. Then you look over to the next object that you see that has some color and say that out loud as well. So do that for really as long as you want. Could be 15 seconds, could be a minute, could be 2 minutes. Then if you want to keep going with it, change your senses into auditory. So whatever it is that you're hearing, whether it's the ambient noise of cars passing by, maybe outside of my window here, maybe it's a dog barking, maybe it's an air conditioning unit running, just take 20, 30 seconds and just listen to those sounds. Purposely listen to them. I think so many times our brain gets stuck trying to block out noise, and that in and of itself, that effort becomes stressful. So purposely listen to the noises around you and just notice them. So try those two things. Those are two kind of entry-level grounding techniques, and see if it brings you some relief.